What's up, guys? Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and remember, if you're watching me for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment, and share on my videos. So, guys, in today's video, I want us to listen to what Mr. Vegas had to say. And we all know of Mr. Vegas. He is a popular Jamaican, probably an artist. So he's talking about Mark Golding and to why he chooses to uh, support the current Prime Minister of Jamaica, who's Mr. Andrew Holness. So guys, let's have a look at this video and then I'll be back with more comments.
Take 17. Now, this may be one of the most important videos, yeah, me ever make. Now, I've been speaking against Mark Golding, and many of you think it is just a political agenda that I have. At one point, I used to rate Mark Golding, based on people that I was close to, speaking or telling me some good things about him family. You know, his wife is a good lady. So I did rate him. I never see him as a white man. You know, I never see him as the ancestor, as a descendant of his cruel ancestors. I never see him as that. I just see him as a white man, you know, because I have white friends. But when I saw him acted that script, that thing that him and Stone and whosoever else put together, when I saw that slavery reenactment, it triggered something. It sent off a signal to my brain, to my psyche. So I started looking at him more closely, more intently. And trust me, the more I look, is the more I realize that this man is dangerous. I hope I am wrong. But if I am right, history will pull up that video. This man is dangerous, people. Let me just go into some examples. This man is a liar and a manipulator that gets away with it. Who gets away with it? He's a liar who will call another person a liar. And no one will realize that he's a liar calling another person a liar. Case in point, his passport, his citizenship status. Remember he said he went to the British Embassy to get a visa to go to England. And he joined the line. And he gave you detail how it was rough. He said it on Nightly Fix. Go check it. The man said he had to get a British visa to go to his country. Later on we found out that he's a full British citizen who later confessed that his British passport expires this year or next year. So while he was telling us to get rid of the Privy Council and get rid of the British monarchy, he's a full British citizen. But why I believe that him trying to get rid of the Privy Council? Because the Privy Council are one of the bodies where can block any dictator from creating political prisoners, or block a dictator from turning politicians into political prisoners. Now you know the person where I say, yeah man, the whole of them corrupt man, yeah man, the right thing about the man, him for throw the whole of them in prison. Of course, because you deal with emotion, you not deal with logics. It's what I say, he might play upon your emotion. And of course, dictators, them find a spot there for play. Then find a spot that they exploit. Of course, that sounds good. Yeah, man. Andrew Holness will go to prison. Yes. And find a spot for exploit. But remember, Andrew Holness has supporters too. Remember, the politicians where a politician I go lock up or a dictator I go throw in a prison have supporters too. So what that leads to? Political turmoil. That leads to political warfare, tribal war. Remember the 80s? If you were not born around them time there, do some research on it. Yeah? Just check out the 80s, what happened in Jamaica. You see? This man is so dangerous that he's doing something that connects with your emotion, so you cannot see what he's up to. Get rid of the Privy Council, of course, because you don't have the body there anymore to override or to protect anyone. So we go down to the Caribbean Courts of Appeal, where, according to my research, some of the judges will sit on it, aligned with the PMP. See? So that is a different situation. So what you see the man do now? He put a hymn in your mouth. He put another, song in your mouth. Resign, resign, resign. Andrew Holness to resign, resign, resign. Straight from the book of the dictators. Straight from the book of people who overthrow government. Because that is it. Remember I'm telling you, him say JLP now go just give it up so. You have to deal with them wicked. You have to take it to them. So him and him Tapanar, his friends them, can run the place. Can run Jamaica. And him say that, Of course, you don't care about that. Because him touch a spot where you know all tied up emotionally. Dictator know how to exploit emotions. Oh, that is what you want. And you may well get what you want to. So him give a song. Resign, resign, resign. Corruption, corruption, corruption. Resign, resign, resign. Corruption, corruption, corruption. Him even give a thing say dictator. So you look at Andrew Holness as a dictator because you say, oh, when a man tell Andrew Holness about his mother, them find him gone on a bed, go look for the man. A man send threat to Andrew Holness, him find him. So you lose all your logics gone, Because you don't realize that the man put him face on the camera, so him easy to find. So you say, oh, them can't find the gunman them. So him already control your mind. You already conformed to this dictator. That you can't reason nothing logical. You can't reason with no logics. You can't reason nothing logical. See? So him latest plan now. He's going to Parliament go tell them, say, he might put forward a motion or a vote of no confidence. Straight out of the playbook of the people who try to overthrow government. Straight out of the playbook. How to overthrow the government. How to start a coup. He knew that the legislator them now go vote on that. He knew that. But of course, him find a part of your emotion for exploit. Him already poison your mind, to make you think say Andrew Holness a thief. A thief from you. Even though there is nothing to say, Andrew Holness thief $1 out of the purse. It's just the black man make too much money. So you will want to know where him get the money from to invest in a stocks and bonds and them things. You don't care about no truth. You don't care if him innocent. Because Mark Golding already control your mind. And you will be willing to go turn M16 by your JLP brothers and sisters them, for Mark Golding, because him already control your emotions. So you can't think nothing with sense. You can't see through nothing. You know, a man said last night, we were on a sister program. Man say, Andrew Holness not come from nowhere. So him forget money to buy them things. That man will never say, Mark Golding got his money from his ancestors or through colonial means. Them not gonna say that. Them not gonna say him getting money by any unlawful means. Them not gonna say illicit enrichment about the white man, because of course is a representation of the man who them put over with bed. Blue eyes, pretty hair, white skin. And it takes that much to control we. And anybody will rebel or reject that, you become an enemy of him and the supporters. But we were there to see. But when it starts, just remember somebody tell you, take a look at Haiti. Take a look at the Congo. You have a stable economy now. Everything not perfect. There more can be done. A lot of people feel it. We have crime and violence. But guess what? We can find two-finger banana even after a major hurricane. We can find piece of yam even after a major hurricane. But remember me tell you, they're about to be famine in Haiti. You know why? Years of political divide, years of colonial rule were still in place. And you are going to trust a product of a colonial regime will destroy African people to the point where you want to find out where your black brother getting money from, but you don't care. Say, the colonial offspring has nothing in your country, not even a house. You see? I wish you all luck and pray say me wrong. Because when it start, me have somewhere for run go. Yeah? Africa.
What's up, guys? Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and to my returning viewers, to my returning subscribers, I want you to know that your support means so much to me. Thank you, and thank you once more. And again, to my new subscribers, my new followers, I want you to feel much welcomed on board. So, your support means so much to me. Now, guys, let's just dive in straight. And sorry for the noises. Uh, we all know of Mr. Vegas, a popular non-Jamaican artist. We also know that he's a JLP supporters, and that brings us to we have two major political parties in Jamaica, which is the PNP and the JLP. The PNP, led by Mr. Mark Golding, and the JLP, led by the current Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. And also recently, we've heard claims and accusations to the Prime Minister, whereby the Jamaicans were complaining recently of tax money missing, and also the hurricane money. You know, there is a hurricane Beryl that hit Jamaica a couple of months ago. A lot of properties were destroyed, and lots of lives were lost. Now, there is some money that were given out to the Jamaican government whereby it could help to those who lost their properties and just reinstate everything that was destroyed in Jamaica. Now, people who are claiming that nothing was reinstated and that if it was, maybe just a few sections or rather few parts of Jamaica. Anyway, let's just dive in to our main video, or rather to our main topic today, whereby I hope we've all watched the video up to the end, whereby Mr. Vegas is talking of or rather the PNP leader, who is Mark Golding. He says that Mark Golding is not of a Jamaican, or rather is not a Jamaican, but a British citizen. He is also saying that Mark Golding has a British passport, whereby he fears that the British are coming to Jamaica and that they are coming to take over Jamaica. We've also had cases of the Chinese in Jamaica. We've also had the cases of the government of Jamaica giving more priorities to the Chinese people and the white people in Jamaica, whereby there is some videos that were circulated the social medias that the Jamaicans can't really access their beaches, the white sandy beaches. The Jamaicans can't really get access to them, whereby so the government sold out some public beaches to these Chinese, to the white people, whereby they privatized them. And now that when the Jamaicans have to visit these beaches, they have to pay, and there is some certain hours that the gate will be opened to, whereby there's also some high-end hotels that currently do not accept black people in Jamaica. We all know that there is no racism in Jamaica, but now these white people, these Chinese, are introducing these racial the racisms in Jamaica. Now, into our video, Mr. Vegas is also talking about the ancestry of Mark Golding. He's talking of what happened during the colonialism and also the slavery. We also know of everything that happened, whereby the whites mistreated the black people. But anyway, that's not the case here. But just to mention that Mr. Vegas is fearfully saying that the PNP supporters, and to those who support Mr. Mark Golding, they should be aware that the British are coming over, and when Mark Golding takes over, that's if he wins the next election. That people should be aware that a lot of British citizens will flood Jamaica. And he is saying that when that happens, he has somewhere to run to, which is Africa. We are of one race, Africa and Jamaica. And you are always welcome. We support you guys. So anyway, you tell me what you think about what Mr. Vegas just said in his video. Engage me in the comment section. Let's have a discussion on whatever you think. Tell me your thoughts about the video. I'm your host Larry, and remember, if you're watching me for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share on my videos. And remember to keep peace. And to those in Haiti, we are praying for you that you regain your stability soon as a country. I'm your host Larry, and until we meet again, peace out.